So AI is all the rage. And the question that I get, I talk to a lot of small business owners, leaders, and the question I get is, what should I do to implement AI in my company? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we drive value in small to mid-sized businesses by leveraging the power of AI. And so whether you want to grow your profits, just get more productive, or scale your business, AI can help. But what should you do as a leader? Well, one of the first things you need to do is to create an AI policy, right, for responsible ethical use. What does that look like? Well, it has to include model or platform selection. What large language model can you use? What can't you use? What platform can you use or not use? Because different models have different platforms. What data can you use and not use? What can you upload and not upload? What tasks can and cannot be done? And then guidelines for responsible and ethical use. Bias mitigation, how to reduce or eliminate the impact of hallucinations, because AI does hallucinate every once in a while. And I urge you to review this with a business attorney and update it frequently, because AI is changing so much. So implement an AI policy for your company. Create a 12 to 18 month AI roadmap. What do I mean by that? Identify the core business processes that AI can really help to add significant value. And ensure that the AI direction is understood by the entire company. That's true for the AI policy as well. And then the last thing, and this may be even the most important thing, is to prepare the employees for the coming change. You want to reassure them that you're not using AI as a way to eliminate jobs, unlike a lot of large businesses. But you're really going to leverage AI so that they can do what they really love to do. And that's not the little grunt work. That stuff gets taken by AI. And in fact, that's what we find, is that employees are more efficient and effective, yes, but they're also more engaged. If you want to talk more about this, my link's below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.